And the Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus offers life cover and financial security for your loved ones. Let's explore this by reviewing the Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus plan. This video will analyze its features, advantages, disadvantages and returns using an internal rate of return analysis. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Tata AIA Life Insurance Sampoorna Raksha Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings product. First, let us look at the main features. Flexibility to choose between two death benefit options. Sum assured on death as lump sum benefit in death, or along with the sum assured on death, monthly income for the next 10 years. Return of premium in case of survival till maturity. Life cover policy for policy terms up to 40 years or up to 100 years. Choice of regular or limited premium paying term. Enhance your protection with optional riders and larger sum assured discount for high coverage. Tax benefit under Section 80C and Section 1010D. Next, we shall look at the benefits of Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus plan. First, death benefit. Option 1. Sum assured on death payable on death. Upon the death of the insured during the policy term, the death benefit, that is the sum assured on death, is payable. Option 2. Sum assured on death payable on death and money and monthly income thereafter for 10 years. Along with the sum assured on death, nominee shall also receive a monthly income equal to 1% of basic sum assured for 10 years starting from the next monthly anniversary following the date of death. Under both the option, sum assured on death shall be defined as the highest of the following: 10 times the annualized premium, or 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death, or minimum guaranteed sum assured on maturity, or absolute amount assured to be paid on death. Next, maturity benefit. On survival till the end of the policy term, the total premiums paid will be returned. Survival benefit, there is no survival benefit under this policy. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha plan. First, advantages. For those who opt for higher level of protection, a high protection discount shall be given, which is expressed as a percentage of the premium. Special rates for non-smokers and preferential rates are also offered to female lives. Next, disadvantages. The maturity benefit merely returns the premium paid without adding any real value. The premium cost is high relative to the life coverage provided. Next, we shall move on to the calculation part. The Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus plan provides life coverage throughout the policy term with premiums payable either as limited pay or regular pay. If the policyholder survives until the end of the term, the total premiums paid are refunded. However, there is no additional value added to the maturity benefit. When we calculated the internal rate of return for this cash flow, it turns out to be 0. For example, a 30-year-old male purchases Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus with a sum assured of rupees 1 crore. The policy term and the premium paying term are both 30 years with an annual premium of rupees 16,500. Over the course of the policy, a total of rupees 4.95 lakhs is paid in premiums, which is then returned as maturity benefit at the end of the term. Since there is no value addition, the return is effectively 0. The return of premium without accounting for time value of money results in no return on investment. For life coverage, a pure term life insurance policy without a return of premium is the most suitable option. The premiums for these policies are lower compared to those with the return of premium. The savings from choosing a pure term policy can be invested separately. Let us illustrate this with the following scenario. Consider a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of rupees 1 crore available for an annual premium of rupees 12,700. The policy term and the premium paying term are both 30 years. In comparison, a return of premium policy costs 16,800 annually. By opting for pure term policy, you can save 3,800 each year, which can be invested separately. The investment vehicle should be selected based on individual risk tolerance. In this example, the surplus is invested in an ELSS fund. After 30 years, the post-tax value of ELSS fund is 9.28 lakhs, down from a pre-tax value of 10.27 lakhs, with an IRR of 3.80%. While the returns may not be exceptionally high, you still accumulate a substantial corpus over time. Compared to Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus plan, this approach yields a higher final maturity amount, helping you achieve your life goals more effectively. Here is our final verdict on Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus plan. Selecting life insurance coverage with an adequate sum assured is a fundamental step in financial planning. It acts as a safety net, providing financial security to your family. Choosing the right life insurance plan is crucial, and there are several options available in the market, such as endowment plans, money back plans, ULIPs, and pure term plans. Participating policies or linked policies do not offer any significant advantage over pure term policies. These plans are often expensive, provide little value in terms of investment, and also have a high agent commission. For instance, the Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Plus has higher premiums which are returned at the end of the policy term. On the other hand, opting for a pure term policy offers savings on premium. The combination of affordable premiums and adequate, that is high sum assured, provides a significant advantage over other life insurance policies. To achieve your financial goals, it is advisable to build a separate investment portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance. Choosing the right insurance and investment product is a crucial aspect of financial planning. It is important to carefully assess any plan before making a decision. If you have any question about selecting the right product, consulting a certified financial planner is recommended. Their expertise can help you choose the appropriate products based on your personal preferences and goals. A detailed review of the plan is available as a blog post on our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.